Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEKS topic, writing the equation of a circle centered at the origin given its radius or a point on the circle. And if we have a point on the circle, like we do, we're just going to use that to find its radius. So whichever one they give you doesn't matter. So this is centered at the origin, which is really nice. So our general standard form, I don't know what to call it, standard form, whatever you call it, for a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where r is our radius and h and k are our center. But if we're centered at the origin, that's 0, 0. So these drop out and we just get x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So that makes it quite a bit easier because we just have to figure out the radiuses and plug it in and we're good to go. So if it's going through the origin and goes to the point negative 8, 0, how far is negative 8, 0 from 0, 0? Since it has a 0, this one's nice and easy, and it's just 8 away, because it's just like a number line. If you had like negative 8, 2 or something like that, you would just use your distance formula to figure out how far they are apart, and that would be your radius. So, but I know this is 8, so I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. So it's 8 squared. So I want to clean that up. 8 squared is 64. And that's my formula. Now, since this is pretty short, that is how you do it. You're welcome to stop here, but just in case you need a refresher on the distance formula, I'm going to go ahead and run this one as if I didn't know it was 8, and we'll go through here. So I'm going the distance between 0, 0 and negative 8, 0. So our distance formula is the square root of the difference between our x's squared plus the difference between our y's squared. So when I plug these in, if I call this point 1, this is x1 and y1, so the x and y coordinates from point 1, and this is x2 and y2, or the x and y coordinates from point 2. So when I plug these in, I have x2, which is negative 8 minus 0 squared, and then I have 0 minus 0 squared. Negative 8 minus 0 is just negative 8 squared, plus 0 squared. 64 plus 0, which is just 64. And I get my distance of 8. So if you're not sure, you can also do that, and it will check out with what you do regardless.